So, debates, part 2. This is more now from the book. A sheet of paper I got off the internet many, many years ago. Just a few more expressions. When you don't understand, we've got a new expression. Pardon? Really good one. Acknowledging opinion. As I understand it, it's a bit like checking information. I just want to check with you that I have heard you correctly. So it is an acknowledgement. And I really like it because you're really trying to understand somebody else, and then you can decide if you agree or disagree with that point of view. Oh, do you think so? Yeah, maybe I actually prefer over here. Oh, do you think so? I don't really agree with that. Another one for disagreement is, really? Yeah. Or, that's not the point. I think I left that up there from last time. Really? I just don't agree. Whenever you want to acknowledge an opinion and offer a new one, you almost like say yes, like you're agreeing with them, but you add this word. And then you give your opposite opinion to whatever they thought. And once again, oh, we've got an agreement here. I suppose so, a reluctant agreement. But once again, the main language is all around giving your opinion. And that's going to be one of the big topics here, because we're going to be debating at the end of term. If you ask me, that's a great idea or a terrible idea. Another thing is that, so you say, firstly, secondly, another thing. You're sort of heading your opinions with firstly, secondly, another thing. The point I'm trying to make is that, where you're really trying to push an idea forward. To tell you the truth and to be completely honest, these are very common expressions. You hear them all the time. Just different ways of giving your opinion. I suppose the problem is this. I suppose. It's like when you're not really convinced, but you're just saying, I suppose, I think, but you're not really so sure. This suppose word is very interesting. As far as I'm concerned, really, that's quite strong. You're just saying, look, I don't agree with you. As far as I'm concerned, listen to me. Anyway, as I was saying, I would use this if I come off the point and, we're talking about Brexit and leaving the EU, and I start talking about fish. And I go, anyway, I've come back to the point, anyway, as I was saying, and then I continue back on my line. I personally think, nice, I'm convinced that, I'm positive that, really pushing a strong point of view when you say, I am convinced that, or I'm positive that. It's even stronger than saying, in my opinion. You're really saying, I feel this very strongly about this. Yeah, so more vocabulary for our debates that are coming. Thank you.